This 2024 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 26T is a Class C RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa, 50436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features a All New Lennon Interior with Medium Grey Ultrafabr interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2024 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 26T is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.